Very good morning to everyone. My name is Dr. A. Adhinarayanan. I am working as an associate professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Amet University. I am going to explain about the significance of engineering drawing. So first of all, we should know what is the meaning of the engineering drawing. Actually, it is a graphical representation of the object. Actually, you know very well, this subject is not only studied by the mechanical engineering department students, it is also studied by all the department students like civil department, CSE department, ECE, EEE, managing department, IT-oriented departments. Next question. Why this subject is included for all the departments? I tell you the reason. To manufacture any components, design is a very basic step. Let us consider Hyundai car. You know very well that car will be having thousands of parts. How it is manufacturing? Each and every parts will be manufactured separately. And also each and every parts will be having separate drawings. This kind of drawing work will be carried out by design engineering department of the industry. So once the design process is over, in the design engineering department, that printout will move on to the manufacturing department. Because you know very well, in our institute, we are having so many departments like mechanical, ECE, EEE, civil, and so on. Likewise, in industry also, there will be so many departments like design engineering department, manufacturing department, quality control department, and purchase department, and so on. So like that, this kind of design activities will be carried out by design department. So once the design process is over in the design engineering department, that printout will move on to the manufacturing department, where the operator will manufacture the command by referring that printout, which is delivered by the design engineering department. So normally in the earlier days, all the process will be carried out manually. Nowadays, all the equipments are automatic machines. The operator he will feed the raw part into the machine. Thereafter, after setting, he will switch on. Then all the operations will be carried out automatically. Normally in industry, a single operator will take care of more than 4 or 5 machines. Earlier, not like that. Single operator will take care of single machine only. Now since it is automatic, the operator will take care of 4 or 5 machines. So once the process is over, next we have to ensure that whether all the components are manufactured with the required limit or not. So that kind of activities will be carried out by the quality control department. So the main role of the quality control department is the parts is manufactured meet the required dimensions or not. So once it is meeting the requirement, that will be accepted. If it is not meeting the requirement, that component will be rejected. So normally the quality control department, they will not check all the parts. So randomly they will select and they will check it. So once it is okay, that will be accepted. So after the manufacturing each and every part, next it will go for the assembly. So once assembled, final stages, it will go for the shipment. So in this way, in industry, all the components are manufactured. Okay. So why I am telling these all things are, this is the significance of studying engineering drawing for all the department students. So next I am going to explain about what are the contents of the engineering drawing. So here initially you will study projection of points. Next you will study straight lines. Next planes, solids, section of solids, development of surfaces, isometric projection, and so on. So points you know very well. It's a single point only. Next topic is straight line. So straight line means the meaning of the straight line is the shortest distance between the 2 points is known as straight line. So that everybody knows. And plane is nothing but it will be having only 2 dimensions. That is a length and width. Even it is having a thickness. Since it is having very less thickness, we will not consider this one. So that is why it is called a plane. Solid, everybody knows that will be having 3 dimensions: length, width, and thickness. This is something about the solids. And thereafter we will study about section of solids. The main purpose of studying section of solids to see the internal parts of the object. And next we will study the development of surfaces. So the parts will be laid out, unfolded and laid out on the plane. Then we will look at that's the development of surfaces. And isometric projection is nothing but it's a 3D part, 3D component. So in this way we will study one by one. Next I am going to explain about what is the meaning of the first angle projection and what is the meaning of second angle, third angle, fourth angle. Now let us first explain first angle projection. So first angle projection means we would assume the object is located in the first quadrant. So first quadrant in a sense it is above HP and in front of VP. Another one is a second angle projection. So second angle projection means we have to assume the object is located in the second quadrant. So second quadrant means above HP, behind VP. Next, third one, that is a third angle projection. So here we have to assume the object is located in the third quadrant. So it means below horizontal plane and behind vertical plane. And finally, fourth quadrant, that is a fourth angle projection. Here we have to assume the object is located below horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane. So as per your syllabus concern, we are going to concentrate only in the first angle projection. And very important, what is the difference between first angle and third angle projection. This is very, very important as a mechanical engineering student to know very well. Not only mechanical, as an engineering student should know very well about difference between first angle and third angle projection. So actually, the main difference is in the first angle means front view will be at the top and top view will be at the bottom. Whereas in the third angle projection, the top view will be at the up and the front view will be at the bottom. Next, I am going to explain about why we are not following second angle projection and fourth angle projection. See, if we follow second and fourth angle projection means both front view and top view will be overlapped. So the observer will get confused. That is what we are not following second angle projection and fourth angle projection. Thank you.